Good morning, good morning, good morning. First of all, I want to say congratulations to my hardworking, resilient, strong Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Michael Holness. Prime Minister, we know what them put you through. We know that the enemies and the wicked Eden rise up against you to eat up your flesh, but them stumble and fell. So I want to big you up this morning and say congratulations to you. I want to say congratulations to my Member of Parliament, Rhoda Moy Crawford, my hard-working, strong Member of Parliament who went up against 3 men in central Manchester and will pull off the win. Whole heap of first-time voter come out and vote for my MP because we know the work and we want to re-elect her so she can continue the work. So big up to my MP, big up to my Prime Minister, big up to the entire Jamaica Labour Party and the communication team and the workers and the bloggers and the voter. This victory, even though we didn't get the amount of seats that we wanted, we are happy for the win. We are happy that we are going back in government, and we are happy that our Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Michael Holness, got his 3rd term. Show our labour rights. Big up on yourself. Later.